So let's start. In today's class, what we are going to learn? Graphical representation of variation of G, that is acceleration due to gravity with height and depth. So in the last classes, we have learned two formulas. One is GH, one is GD. Who will tell me that GH formula first?
G into 1 minus sorry,
Gm by R square.
R square by R plus H whole square.
GH is equal to G into R square by R plus H whole square. If height is very, very small, then GH is equal to G into 1 minus 2H by R. Yes, no?
Yes, sir.
And one more formula we have learned, that is GD, that is gravity at depth D. Who will tell me that formula?
G into 1 by R.
D.
G into M into R minus D by R.
फिर से बोलो.
G into 1 minus D by R.
So before someone said something only. I think because of network, some words got mixed with one another. I heard something different only. Okay. So let's start this now. Now I'm coming back to that formulas only. First of all, GD is equal to G into 1 minus D by R. Yes. Now this is equal to G into R minus
Sir,
D
GD means acceleration due to
divided by R. Acceleration due to gravity at depth D. Okay. GD means acceleration due to gravity at depth D. Understood? Hello?
Yes, sir.
Yes.
Now see what I did. Did you understand this step?
Yes, sir.
This is 1 minus D by R. Its denominator is nothing but 1. Cross multiplication. R into 1 is R. Minus 1 into D is D divided by this R into 1 is R. This is same like A by B minus C by D, which is equal to AD minus BC divided by BD. Understood? Clear?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Good. So that's why what I did here, I have written GD is equal to G into R minus D by R. Okay. Now, can I take that R outside the bracket? So therefore, GD is equal to G by R into R minus D. Can I write like this? Yes, no?
Yes, sir.
Now, let us assume that R minus D is equal to small r. Let us suppose, okay, say. Then can I write like this? GD is equal to G by R into small r. Any doubt?
No, sir.
Now see here, this G is going to be constant, this R is going to be constant. Then can I write like this? GD is directly proportional to small r. Can I write like this? Please tell me.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Now GD is directly proportional to R means as you are increasing the small r, that is R minus D value is bigger, your gravity will be less or more. Yes?
Decrease.
It is directly proportional, no?
Yes, sir.
हाँ, तो इसका मतलब है जब D छोटा होता है, when D is small, R minus D is more. When D is big, R minus D is small. है ना? And that's why I can say that as you are increasing this, what happens? The gravity decreases with increase in depth. With increase in depth. So if I will plot now graph, see here.
Sir,
Yes.
sir, what is smaller?
Small r is R minus D.
Okay.
What we have assumed here, you see, R minus D is equal to R we have assumed. Okay. Now, if I am taking distance from center of the earth on the x-axis, what I have taken? Distance of, or distance from center of the earth, we can say. And this side, what I am taking? Acceleration due to gravity on the y-axis. What is on x-axis? Bolo.
Distance from center of earth.
Yes. And what is on the y-axis?
Acceleration due to gravity.
Acceleration due to gravity.
Now only we have seen, see here, GD is directly proportional to R means what? The gravity will increase with increase in R, है ना? सही कि नहीं है?
Yes, sir.
Right. Means how? If this is at center, this is we can say center, earth center. So this distance is 0, है ना? As you are going up and up from the center of the earth, gravity value will increase. Yes or no? Understand?
Yes, sir.
For example, suppose this is earth and now this is what? The center of the earth. You are here, and then you are here. So you see, as you are going up from the center of the earth, your gravity value will increase or not? Yes, no? Yes?
Yes, sir.
Yes.
Yes, sir.
And that's why I have written like this, or I have drawn the graph like this. Okay. And at this point, you are having maximum gravity. What is that point? Tell me.
Surface of the.
Wow,
Okay,
wow.
sir.
Very good. Very good.
Surface.
Very good. Super. So this is what? R. Small r is equal to capital R. It means what, rate? D is equal to 0. Agree with me? At D is equal to 0. In this formula, you substitute D is equal to 0. You will get maximum gravity that is on the surface of the earth. Clear? Understood? So here I am writing GD is directly proportional to R, and this is how or where? Inside the earth. Okay, right. Now next one, you see Now, as I am going above the earth surface, what I am doing? I am going above the earth surface. What happens, you see? Let's go to the next page for that. Now, next one, above the earth surface. Above the earth surface. Above the earth surface. What is the formula? Tell me. GH is equal to, bolo. G into R square divided by R plus H whole square.
Square.
Yes. So now what I am doing, let us say that, assume that small r is equal to R plus H. Let us suppose, say, okay. Then can I write like this? GH is equal to G into R square divided by small r square. Clear? Again here, what is constant? As small g and capital R are constant. Can I write like this? GH is inversely proportional to R square. Inversely proportional to R square. Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Clear?
Clear, sir.
So therefore, if we will go back to the graph, what happens from here? As you are on the surface of earth and as you are going above and above of the earth surface, your graph will be something like this, which is decreasing. Hai na? As you are going above the earth surface, gravity decreases. Hai na? And here can I write like this? G is inversely proportional to R square. Hai ki nahi? G is inversely proportional to R square. Right? Can I write like this? Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Right. So here I am writing G is inversely proportional to R square. That is GH you can write. GH is inversely proportional to 1 by just R square. Or diagonally proportional to 1 by R square we can say. Clear? So due to this and this, we got this combined graph. So see, this is the center. From center to the surface, as you are increasing the R is what? Distance from center of R. This is very important. So as you are increasing the distance, gravity increases. From where? From center. Similarly, when we are going above the earth surface, as you are increasing the distance, gravity decreases. And what is the relation? GD is direct proportional to R, GH is inverse proportional to R square. Okay? Clear?
Okay, sir.
Any doubt?
No, sir.
And at this point,
No,
at
sir.
the surface, how much gravity we are having? 9.8 meter per second square. This is what? Maximum. At surface. Yes or no?
Yes,
That's
sir.
why here you see this is R, distance of object from the center. That is what capital R. That is nothing but radius of R. And that's why it is maximum at the surface. Clear?
Yes, sir.
Any other doubt? Please ask.
No, sir. No, sir.
Understood? Clear?
Understood, sir.
Okay.
Sir, 1
Now,
minute, go to last slide.
Last slide you want? Take this. Yes. Finished?
Sir, can you show the next slide, sir?
Yes, I will show. Yes, I will show it. Yes.
Good afternoon, sir.
Good afternoon. Okay, so shall we move ahead now? I think you understood this. Any other doubts you can ask? Yes? Shall we go ahead?
1 minute, sir.
Okay. Write down fast.
Completed, sir.
Okay. So see now, note points. Some note points I'm going to give you. Listen carefully about this graph only. Number 1. Now tell me, G decreases as D decreases or increases? You tell me.
D increases, sir.
Increases, sir.
Yes, very good. This is not small r, this is depth. Small r is from center of the earth. Depth is from the surface of the earth. Understood?
Yes, sir.
Shall I
Yes,
tell
sir.
you? Shall I tell you one example if you did not understand? Yes?
Yes, sir.
So those who did not understand, listen here. This is a surface. And now you are going inside the earth, somewhere here. This is what at depth D. So here you are having more gravity. Here you are having less gravity. Here it is less. Here it is more. So that's why what it is saying, G decreases as D increases. D is suppose here 20 kilometer. Somewhere here it is 30 kilometer. So as compared with this, as you are increasing the D, your gravity will decrease and at center it will become 0 only. Yes or no? Clear?
Yes,
Clear.
sir.
Yes, sir.
Clear, sir.
Good. Very good. Right. Next one. Note point number 2. G, now you should say me, G becomes dash dash at the center of earth.
Zero.
Zero.
Zero, sir.
Yes, 0. So G becomes 0 at the center of the earth. Okay. Now, next note point. G is maximum. Bolo bolo. G is maximum at
Surface of the earth.
Surface of the earth.
Surface of the earth.
at surface of the earth, and it decreases with increase in height and depth also. Agree with me?
Depth. Yes, sir.
As you are going above the earth's surface, gravity will decrease. As you are going below the earth's surface, gravity is decreasing. Agree or not? Tell me.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes. Understood.
Understood, sir.
Okay. So note down these points. Note down fast.
Completed, sir.
Okay. Right. Okay. So shall we go to the next page?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Now see one small problem we will solve. Ready? See here.
Yes, sir.
Ready,
The
sir.
altitude at which the altitude at which the weight of a body is only 64% of its weight on the surface of the earth. Surface of the earth is, and given is what? R is equal to, how much is the radius of earth? Bolo. Yes.
6,400 kilometers.
6,400 kilometers.
Yes, very good. Right. तो ऑप्शंस भी दिया है उसने. देखो ऑप्शंस क्या क्या दिया है. Option A is 1600 kilometer. Option B is 16 meter. Option C is 160 kilometer. And option D is 1600 kilometer. Okay. How to solve this? Now you first tell me, Ray. This
Sir, A
altitude.
and D options
Sir,
are
A
same.
and D are same, sir.
A and D are same, huh? Okay, 1 minute. हाँ, yes. यहाँ पे मीटर करो. ये जो लास्ट ऑप्शन है ना, इसको मीटर करो, ठीक है? क्लियर?
Okay, sir.
हाँ,
Sir, answer 1600, sir. Sir, 1600
किलोमीटर मीटर
kilometers, sir.
Kilometer.
means you are getting first option, huh?
Yes, sir.
Okay, any other
Yes,
answer?
sir.
Any other answer?
No, sir.
Same, everyone is getting same. So see here, altitude means what, Ray?
Height.
Very
Height,
good.
sir. Height.
Very
GH.
good. Yes.
GH is equals to G into R square by R plus H whole square.
Wait. So see here, weight of body is only 64%. Weight he has given. So first of all, what is the formula? Weight is equal to what, Ray? mg. This we know. At height, at altitude, है ना? At altitude, that is WH is equal to m into GH, है ना? Right? So what is given here? Weight at height is equal to 64 by 100 times weight at surface, right? So if I will substitute these values, where particularly we have one formula, GH is equal to G into R square by R plus H whole square. So if I will multiply with m on both sides, mgh is equal to mg R square divided by R plus H whole square. So mgh means what, rate? WH, hai na? This is equal to mgh, right? So therefore, can I write like this? 64 by 100 times mg. Can I write like this? Yes or no?
Yes,
Clear?
sir.
R plus H whole square. Now shall I cancel this mg? Yes, no?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes,
Yes,
And
sir.
now see, I am taking square root on both sides. Always first you minimize this and then only you substitute the values. Before also I told you, hai na? So that it will be easy for you. Now take square root on both sides. So I am writing also here, first problem, you keep it as a reference. Taking square root on both sides.
Yes, please.
Tell me please, how much you are getting? 8 by 10 is equal to R divided by R plus H. So this is equal to how much, Dragon? 4 by 5, Yes, no? Check it. So 4
Yes, sir.
into R plus H is equal to 5R. Check it now. Everything is right. So this is 4R plus 4H is equal to 5R. And therefore 4H is equal to 5R minus 4R. Right? Yes,
Yes,
no? And therefore H is equal to 5R minus 4R is R by 4. So how much you will get? This is 6,400 divided by 4. So how much? And this is in kilometers. So your answer should be 1600 kilometer, which is right answer. Hai na?
Yes, sir.
Right. Good. So shall I tick this option number 1? Okay.
Okay, sir.
Any other doubt, please ask. Understood?
yes, sir.
Shall I go to the next page?
Understood, sir.
Yes, sir.
1 minute.
Sir, 1 minute, sir. Sir, 1 minute.
Okay. Write down.
Done, sir.
Yes, everyone finished? Okay.
1 minute, sir.
Do it fast, please.
Yes, sir.
Finished?
No, sir. 1 minute, sir.
You can do it now from here. Easy only. R/4 you got means immediately I will send link also.
Okay, sir.
See now, homework problem. Number 1. The acceleration due to gravity. The acceleration due to gravity at depth of 1600 kilometer is option number A 0, option number B 9.8 meter per second square, option number C 7 meter per second square, option number D 7.35 meter per second square.
Sir, R is 6,400.
R 6,400, that is common. Okay.
Okay, sir.
Next question you see. I have given WH is equal to 36% that of W of S. Find H. Find H. And in both the problems, you are having R is equal to 6,400 kilometer. Okay. WH means what? Weight at height H. That is 36% of WS. WS means weight on the surface. Find H. Same model which we have done previously. Yes. Okay. Understood.
Yes, sir.